Hello, everyone. This is Job Science, your favorite channel, and your most awaiting YouTube channel. This is the channel which is concerned with the latest and new jobs and from all over the world. And my today's target is Canada, and I am going to tell you about the most of the jobs and all of them from Canada. And but one thing which is very important to note that all of these jobs are for all those who are living in Canada these days and who are Canadian nationals. So it means that you cannot apply from the other countries these days, but hopefully soon this would happen and we will apply for all of the international jobs, and job science will help you in this regard as well. So today's jobs are from so let's check out the job list first. And my first job is food service supervisor. And then cook needed in Canada, service manager needed in Canada, roofer needed in Canada, cook needed in Canada, waiter, waitresses needed in Canada. Although I have so many jobs from Canada, but only few jobs are the part of my today's video because of the details, and that would be in unfair with the the job employers, that if they have given you that much information regarding the job, so I have to tell all of the important points of the job, so as you should know these in their actual form. So that's why I just have included only a few jobs. I will mention the rest of the jobs in my next video. So let's start the details of all of the jobs. But before that, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to hit the bell icon and select all after subscription, and select all for all of the latest updates. And my request as well, that please like all my videos, share all my videos, and watch this video up to the end. I thank you all. So let's start the details of today's very first job, that was food service supervisor. So it's a job for a supervisor. So it means it's a big job, I think. And that location is Hamilton in Canada. And salary would be $15 per hour. And you have to work for 35 to 40 hours, permanent and full time. And yet to be so it is, you have still have time for the application of these jobs. This job, by the way, this is food service supervisor. Education would be equivalent to the high secondary, high school, and then experience. This is for about 2 years to less than 3 years. They are needing the experience, and English would be the more of the medium to your talks. So specific skills: supervise and coordinate activities of staff who prepare and portion food. So you have to supervise all of the cooks, all of the people working in the kitchen, and regarding the food, the supplies, the inventory. So you have to take care of all of these things. So please note down all of the specific skills, take the screenshots from the specific for these specific skills. So this is I'm not going to read all of the text because it would take a lot of time. And food service supervisor, additional skills where they want additionally in you, that they want to check out the customers complaints or concerns, staff and job duties, sanitation and safety procedures, and work setting, restaurant, food service establishments. This could be the work setting, kitchen and food service helpers. I already have told you that you need to check out, supervise the persons, all those who are working in the kitchen, the cooks, the helpers, the food service attendants, the food preparers, and the food beverage servers as well. And security, criminal record, they are going to check you basically through by all means before your induction. And you have to be ability to supervise at least 5 to 10 people. It means 5 to 10 people would be working under you. And the location, on-site customer service, it could be on-site customer service as well. And personal suitability, effective interpersonal skills, flexibility would be the part of your personality along with the team. You have this thing that you should be able to work in groups. And then is workers supervised kitchen and food, security, transportation, own vehicle, and how to apply. If you want to apply for this job, then you need to share your resume at the following email address, and you have to apply. You can contact them through this email as well, to the company which is in Hamilton. Next job is cook needed in Canada. Another job for the cooks. The last job was for the supervisor, and this is for the cooks. Hamilton on, once again, the same place is there, and salary would be 14.50 to 15.50 hours, dollars per hour, and you have to give your 32 hours, 32 to 40 hours a week, permanent and full time, and yet to be start. And so you have enough time for the to apply for this job. Language, English, secondary, high school, 1 year experience is needing. So specific skills, obviously you should know how to handle with the kitchen things, with the food preparations, portions, specific food preparation, specific menu, special, seasonal. You should know how to deal all of the foods. But still, you need to go through the specific skills from these slides and take a screenshot. And the cook category is cook general. The job is for the cook general. It's not a specific cuisine. Sorry, the specific cuisine is Mexican. And work setting, restaurant and fast food outlet. Any fast food outlet could be. You need to work there along with your company. Work conditions and physical capabilities, fast paced environment, work under pressure, repetitive tasks, attention to details, obviously. Initiative, flexibility would be the part of your personality. So if you think that you can do this thing, you have an experience at least 1.5 years, so you can apply for this job. You can contact them through this email address as well, and you can share your resume at the following email address. Then is service manager needed in Canada. So another job is for the manager type, and location is the 159 Garden of Aden Road. So Aden Road. Then the salary would be $30 to $35 per hour, and you have to give 40 to 44 hours a week. Terms of employment, permanent and full time, and benefits, group insurance benefits would be the part of your salary. And the job requirements, college, CEGP, they just want to have some educational background as well and experience. If you have an experience, this would be preferable, and you should be able to speak in English, obviously, because these jobs for all of those who are living in Canada, whether they are Canadian, whether they are from Asian countries, so the only thing which is very important is the language through which you can contact them. You can communicate with them, you can share your views, you can plead your case in front of the person if you know their language. Specific skills are: you need to determine the staffing requirements, manage staff and assign duties, resolve. This is the job of the manager, by the way. So you need to manage the staff on the whole. Resolve the problems that arise, such as customer complaints and supply shortages, plan, organize, direct, control, and evaluate the daily operations. The level of expertise is technicians, and technician level should be, you should meet this level at least. Business equipment and computer application, you should know how to use electronic mail, emails, and database softwares. Automobile dealerships would be the work setting and driving record. They are going to check your driving record, your criminal record as well. On transportation would be prefer. You should have your own driver's license as well, and the fastest space environment, and you should be able to supervise at least 10 people. And personal suitability, effective interpersonal skills, flexibility, team player, excellent oral communication, client focused judgment, organized. So they need a very, very sophisticated kind of manager for the company. But if you have an experience regarding the job and you are working in the same capacity as the title, then you can easily apply for this job. So if you are interested, to please go for the application. Don't waste your time, and share your resume at the following email address. The RUFO needed in Canada, and that job requirements, no degree certification. One thing, this is very, very important, by the way. So for all those who have no educational background, who has no certificate and diplomas, can apply for this. But importantly, you must have 2 years of experience, at least 2 years to less than 3 years. Means they are needing more than 2 years. But if you have at least 2 years, then you can apply and you can be capable of communicating in their own language. Additional skills where they want to read and interpret blueprints, maps, drawings. Obviously, you need to work for as the roofer, so you should be able to read the blueprints as well. And obviously, that is why they are needing some person who has at least 2 years of experience. Area of specialization: tiled roofs, shingle roofs, skylights, conventional and inverted built up system, rigid performed roofing systems, single ply sheet membrane. This is obviously those who are working in the capacity of the roofer can know these things, can know that these terms as well. We have no idea regarding this. So weight handling can be up to 45. Work setting: residential, institutional, commercial, could be of any type. So you should have your own steel-toed safety boots. Dangerous environment. So how could be the environment? Like they said, the worksite environment may be dangerous, outdoors, at heights, noisy, and dusty. So be prepared. So all those roofers obviously are already knowing all these things. Obviously, that's why they're going to apply for this as well. And the work conditions: fast paced and repetitive. This is important. Handling heavy loads as well. So could be of various location, personal dependability, reliability, and shingle or specific skills. Install or replace asphalt shingles, wood shingles, and shakes and masonry or baked clay. Obviously, those who are working in the roofer read it, may be needing knowing that all of these terms. These terms are very difficult for me to know, And roofer specific skills: install, repair, or replace built up roofing system. So please go through these specific skills before the application for this job. Go through take a screenshot and then read it thoroughly, because they are interesting in their person who must have these specific skills in him. So whether have an experience or not, but you should know at least about all these things, that what are these. And then if you are working in the capacity of the roofer and you want to apply for this job, so please share your resume at the following email address. And then is location. Next job is of the cook needed in Canada. Another job for the cook needed in Canada. This is location is Annapolis Royal. So you have to, so all those people living near this can apply for this job. 13.50 to 14 dollars per hour, 30 to 48 hours a week you have to work, and it is, by the way, seasonal but full time. It could be at any time depending upon the need of the time, and it is going to start in June 762021. So you have enough time for this job to apply, because it's a seasonal. So if you are doing this job and it is going to be an end, so it means you can apply for this job after 3 to 4 months. But you can share your CV right now as well. Job requirements: language, English, education, no degree certification. In this case, you are free, because once again, there is no need of any kind of certification and educational background, but experience is an asset. If you have an experience, then this is good for you. This would be preferable. But if you have no experience, even in that case, you can apply for this job, as they didn't mention a specific number of years for experience. Then specific skills: clean kitchen and work areas, prepare and cook complete meals or individual dishes and foods. I don't know why you need to clean the area and the kitchen, because as you are in the capacity of working in the capacity of the cook. Anyhow, cook category: second cook. You are working in the capacity of second cook. That's why you are needing to clean the place as well. Cuisine: vegetarian, Canadian, gluten free. So this would be the cuisine. And work setting: hotel, motel, and resort. Additional skills what they want to be in you: prepare dishes for customers with food allergies or intolerances, security and safety, criminal record check, transportation travel. You should have your own vehicle, valid driver's license, work conditions and physical capabilities, fast paced environment, work under pressure, attention to detail, standing for extended periods. This could be, you have to work under pressure as well, and you need to stand for a longer period. So, every cook, obviously, they have an idea, because they have to cook in the kitchen, and they have to stand for a longer period. Rural area: personal suitability, initiative, flexibility, team player, and all these. Please read them from the slide. So, cook needed in Canada, and how to apply for this job. You need to share your resume at the following email address and apply. And then waiter, waitresses needed in Canada. So my next job is about waiter and waitresses. Once again, Annapolis Royal is the location. Salary would be 13.10 and hours, dollars per hour, and 20 to 48 hours a week you have to work. And then terms of employment, seasonal employment, part-time leading to full-time, and it could be at any time. And date is 172021. This is July, I think, and you can apply in before 1st July. Because from first you are going to they are going to start the job. So waiter or waitresses, both this job is for the both males and females. Anyone can apply for this job who are living in Canada these days. Job requirements: languages English, education no degree certification, once again, and experience will train. So this is very important, and this is very easy for all of those who want to do something, who are in search of jobs, can apply for this job, by the way, because this doesn't need any educational background and any experience as well. And food and beverage service, serving skills: serve food and beverages, take orders, and relay to kitchen and bar staff, greet patrons, present menus, and make recommendations and answer questions regarding food and beverages. These are your specific skills. Additionally, what they want, obviously, customer complaints and clear and clean the tables, trays, and chairs, assist the client's guests with special needs. Weight handling up to 23 kg, work setting, hotel, motel, and resort. Security and safety, they are going to check you, by the way. And work setting should be noisy and hot as well. And transportation, you should have your own vehicle. You have to manage, and you must have your driver's license as well. Whether I don't know, you have to apply for, you must have your driver's license or not. Work conditions and physical capabilities: fast paced environment, work under pressure, physically demanding, standing for extended period. That was the job for the waiter and waitresses. Personal suitability, initiative, flexibility, team player, client focus, and organized. Next is how to apply for this job. There is an email address. Please share your resume if you want to work. But this is the job which is obviously have 2 to 3 months for have time for the application. I will share this job once again after a few months as well. So these are the jobs which I have in my video today. We will discuss the rest of the jobs in my next video. Up till then, please take care of yourself, and thank you so much for the patience listening. And if you are watching this video up to then, I thank you all. We job signs are very, very thankful for all of you for the patience listening. Please take very good care of yourself. We will meet again in the next video. Up till now, bye bye.